Hi there, this is Ken here at the Stamps of Life. We have a promotion going on. I'm not sure if many of you are aware of it. I've been talking about it on some of our videos. We have the Share the Love promotion going on here at the Stamps of Life. So if you're not familiar with that, I wanted to introduce it to you. It's real easy. This is for if you're a club member or if you're not a club member. You can participate in this. The one thing you do have to have is an account on the Stamps of Life. So let me show you how it works. Let's go over to the Stamps of Life website. So you just type in stampsoflife.com and you're going to come to this web page here. And you will go up to your sign in right here. This is how you get to your account if you're not familiar, or if you are familiar, this might be very easy for you, something you'll want to do. You're just going to click on sign in. And there's my information there. And I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and it will take me to my account. Now my account is available here. So I go back up to my account, click on that again, and it's going to take me to my account. You see I have no club points there since I'm not a club member. But so here's the promotion right when you get into your account on your dashboard here. Earn referral rewards and also earn referral rewards, both spots here. So this one here on the right, if you have somebody you know who that would be interested in becoming a Stamps of Life club member, maybe you've talked about our club before, this is the easy one. You just put their first name in here and add their email address. We will send them an email with information about how they can join. The great thing is right here, you see what it says? Refer a friend to the club, and if they join, you both get a $10 gift certificate, and that's for the Stamps of Life website. So if you have two friends who want to sign up, they're each going to get $10. You're going to get $20, and you can use that to get stamps, dies, ink pads, anything you want, cardstock, on the Stamps of Life website. So that is an easy, fun, simple promotion. We will do the work for you there if you choose that option. Just put in your friend's first name. I would ask them ahead of time or let them know that this is coming. Give us their correct email, and we will send out an invitation to them. If they join up, you guys both win. Then on the other side, we have this copy link code here. So you're just going to copy that, click on it, and let's see what it does. It says refer all your crafty friends to the club, just like the other side. If they join, you both get a $10 gift certificate. Now this is good through the end of February, so they'll want to do it real soon. This is good for any club. It says post about our club on your social media, Facebook, Instagram, etc., how much you enjoy the Stamps of Life, and include your special link below. This link will take your friends to our club page with your special sign-up code. Copy this link to your clipboard and paste it into your post. So if you're on Facebook, maybe you do YouTube videos, you could even add this in the comment section of your YouTube videos. It would work there. But if you're on Facebook, you can go and you can also add this on to Instagram, but on Instagram it's a little bit more difficult because they can't click a link like they can on Facebook. So on Facebook this will work really well. On Instagram they would actually have to type in all the information. So we're going to we copied that and pasted that. I'm going to go up here, and you see I have my Facebook tab open. I'm going to go ahead and go to Facebook, and this is the Stamps of Life Facebook page actually, and here's a spot right here. It says what's on your mind. So I would just say, hey friends, have you heard about the Stamps of Life? And you could say, whoops, life, and you could say, I'm a club member, capitalized member, and I love it. I'm being real generic here. You could add a lot more information in if you wanted to. So it says, hey friends, have you heard about the Stamps of Life? I'm a club member and I love it. So you could add like things you really like about the Stamps of Life, or how long you've been a club member, what club you're in, or maybe a club you would recommend. And then you will just add the link right here. So I'll add that link. And then just for fun, I'm going to add a photo. So maybe you have a photo of a card you made, or you can download images from our website of pictures of cards. You just save the image, and I saved an image here. And so I have this one from a card that Stephanie had made. I want to add the photo, And there it is. So I add that, open it, and it's going to add my photo in right there. And I could just post that, and then I just click post, and this should show up right here. Let's see if it shows up here. There it is. So it says, hey friends, have you heard about the Stamps of Life? I'm a club member and I love it. I added the link, and there I had an image. You could put any photo in there. You could do a Stamps of Life logo. I did this image of this bunny that Stephanie had made, but that gets people's attention. Now remember, if anybody clicks on this link, it doesn't even have to be a friend. Anybody who clicks on this link and uses it and signs up, they'll actually get a $10 gift certificate for the website, and you will get one also. So I think you would want to include that information. In fact, I would make sure that I added that, definitely, because you want them to know about the extra discount they'll get by signing up. So there it is. That is the Share the Love promotion that is available on the Stamps of Life website. I hope you'll check that out. Try it out. If you know some crafty friends who might be interested, we can send the invitation to them. You can do that right through your account by providing their name and their email information, or you can use that link that I showed you. I would give a little more details than I said. I was just trying to be brief and get right to it, but the more information you provide, they'll know it's from you because it'll show up on your Facebook post, and maybe you'll have a friend who will join the club, and we would love to have them. And if you are a club member, thanks for being in the club. If you are just a customer at the Stamps Live, you have an account, awesome. We appreciate all of you. And then if you're not familiar with the website, sign up on the website. It's good for you, even brand new. You can go to the website, create an account, and you can get these links and all this information as well. All right, thanks for joining me. And that's just a little bit of information here from Ken at the Stamps of Life. Take care now. Bye-bye.